I got a question for you. Might seem uncool, but just go with me here just for a second. I think this would be something to really help you. If you were replaced tomorrow, what would your replacement start doing right away that you're not doing or you're not doing very often, right? Nobody likes to look at it that way, but that answer will likely give you the thing for you to focus on. And that's what it's all about. As a loan officer, you want to be focusing your efforts. For me, the first thing I would tell you to do is, what's the one thing, like on your last 10 closings that you've had, whether that was last week, last month, or all of last year, on your 10 closings, what was a single activity that brought most of those in? Just start doing more of that. Really, it's just that simple. We need to focus our efforts on the things that actually moves the needle. So what would your replacement start doing more of that you're currently not doing? Great question. Hey, this is the kind of things we discuss on the Loan Officer Breakfast Club on helping each other close more loans. Totally free. loanofficerbreakfastclub.com, loanofficerbreakfastclub.com. We'll see you there, no charge, and we'll be sharing great ideas back and forth. See you there.